Welcome to UKN World, where we explore the most stunning wonders of our natural world. From the dense forests to the flowing rivers, today we embark on a journey of endurance and instinct, witnessing the incredible feats of nature, exploring the incredible migrations of 10 rare birds. Join us as we uncover their secrets and marvel at their resilience. Our first marvel is the Arctic tern, a small bird with an extraordinary migration. This tenacious creature experiences 2 summers each year, covering about 44,000 miles annually. Next, we meet the bar-tailed godwit, a bird that holds the record for the longest non-stop flight. Imagine flying from Alaska to New Zealand over 7,000 miles without a single break. Our journey continues with the red knot, a small shorebird with a mighty migration. This bird travels from the Arctic tundra to South America, relying on crucial stopover points like the Delaware Bay. Prepare to be amazed by the sooty shearwater, a seabird with an extraordinary circular migration across the Pacific. This bird travels from New Zealand to the North Pacific, covering 40,000 miles annually. From the vast ocean, we now turn our gaze to the expansive skies of North America, where the majestic Swainson's hawk meticulously prepares for its incredible journey southward. These remarkable raptors skillfully utilize thermals to conserve precious energy, soaring gracefully from North America all the way to Argentina, embarking on an astonishing 14,000-mile round trip that spans diverse landscapes and climates. Our next feathered friend is the Amur falcon, embarking on a transcontinental odyssey. This small falcon travels from East Asia to Southern Africa, flying across the Indian Ocean. Few birds embody endurance like the blackpoll warbler. This tiny songbird flies non-stop for up to 72 hours, crossing the Atlantic from North America to South America. Next, we have the northern wheatear, migrating from the Arctic tundra to sub-Saharan Africa. This tiny songbird travels up to 9,000 miles each year, guided by the stars and Earth's magnetic field. The common cuckoo, known for its distinctive call, migrates from Europe to Central Africa. These birds cover around 7,500 miles, crossing the Sahara Desert. Our final adventurer is the white-rumped sandpiper, undertaking an epic hemispheric commute. This tiny bird travels from the Arctic tundra to South America, facing numerous challenges along the way. As we conclude our journey, we're left in awe of these birds' resilience and their incredible ability to navigate vast distances with such precision and grace. These migrations highlight the importance of protecting habitats across the globe. Every bird, from the smallest sparrow to the largest eagle, plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you found it as inspiring and enlightening as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to UKN World for more amazing content. Your support helps us bring you more stories from the natural world. See you next time.